Hello guys, I'm Pawnath and once again welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to draw this hyper realistic looking eye, and this part is mainly focused on drawing iris. So if you want to learn drawing realistic looking iris, then watch this video till the end, because I feel drawing iris is the most complex part when it comes to drawing an eye. So first of all, I'm drawing outline and I'm using grid method for drawing outline. So as this part is not mainly focused on drawing outline, so I will quickly do it. And moreover, you can draw outline really easily using grid method. It's not a big deal. And this video is going to be step by step explained tutorial. So if you really want to learn drawing iris, then watch this video till the end. While drawing outline, try to draw each and every single detail so that you will not get confused when it comes to shading. So I'm drawing every eyelashes, every single detail while drawing the outline. The page I am using for this drawing feels like an cartridge sheet, but it has a smooth surface, so I don't know how the result will come out, but I'm going to give my best. So I'm starting with charcoal pencil and darkening the pupil area. Now I am using edge grade graphite pencil and shading the inner and outer area of the iris. So I'm starting with lighter shading and then I will increase the contrast or darkness. Now grab the cotton bud or blending stumps and smoothly blend the first layer. Now I'm filling this middle area using some random pencil strokes, leaving the highlighted part. Now I'm adding the second layer using 2B pencil and increasing the darkness. Here I am using dark grade mechanical pencil and adding the shadow of the eyelid. Now with the same mechanical pencil I am adding the third layer, giving the darkest tone and leaving the highlighted part out. Blend this layer too using a blending stump or a cotton bud. Now lightly mix all the layer using the soft synthetic brush. Now for the final and the darkest layer, I'm using this 8B grade Staedtler carbon pencils. These are really dark pencils. Now finally grab the Monogyro eraser and add the highlights in the middle area. So that's it for today friends. I hope you had enjoyed this video, and if you do then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more drawing related videos like this. So thank you so much friends for watching. मिलते हैं next video में.